Senator Ed Markey of Massachusetts is demanding answers from the travel insurance industry this morning. A report from his office warns that consumers might not get the protection they think they've paid for. Consumers spent nearly $3 billion on travel insurance in 2016. It's more than doubled since 2006. Kris Van Cleave is at Reagan National Airport outside Washington with the warnings about the fine print. Kris, good morning.
Good morning. Senator Markey is sending these letters to two insurers today. This as new research from AAA finds as many as 40% of Americans are likely to buy travel insurance for an international trip. The #1 reason is cancellation protection. Now, travel insurance can cover the cost of a trip if you're suddenly too sick to fly, if you lose your job, if you get injured while you're traveling. It can even kick in money if a bag is lost, but it does not cover everything.
I could just feel my blood boiling.
Laura Tropiano spent nearly $1,100 on flights to Europe for her and her husband, Matt, a Marine veteran who did tours in Iraq and Afghanistan to celebrate their second anniversary. With the trip 10 months away, she bought travel insurance through the airline.
I just had a feeling that this time we'd need it, and it wasn't that expensive.
You booked the trip, you've got this great plan. What happens?
So about a month after we booked the trip, I find out that I'm pregnant with my daughter. And she's due October 21st. And our flight to come back from Europe was October 19th. So naturally, you can't fly when you're that pregnant.
While the insurance covered illness, it did not cover pregnancy. Her claim was denied.
The only thing skimpier than airplane legroom is the coverage of these insurance policies.
A review by Senator Ed Markey's office found nearly all major U.S. airlines and online booking sites sell travel insurance, typically requiring customers to click yes or no to purchasing before being allowed to book a trip. The report found what it calls questionable travel insurance marketing practices for policies that offer minimal coverage and often erect hurdles to the payment of claims.
Consumers are being tipped upside down, money is shaken out of their pockets, and it's split between the airlines and the insurance companies, and it's just plain wrong.
Just two companies underwrite all those policies. In a statement, the U.S. Travel Insurance Association said the industry was not contacted by Senator Markey, adding travel insurance is a valuable product that protects consumers' financial investment. The group recommends that travelers fully understand the coverage options they are purchasing to make sure it fits their needs. The purchase of travel insurance is voluntary. The Better Business Bureau says complaints are on the rise, on pace to exceed 700 this year, more than double the 342 in 2015.
You don't even know what you're getting sometimes.
Chris Elliott runs a consumer advocacy website that tracks the travel industry.
The solution is better disclosure by the travel insurance companies, by the airlines and online travel agencies who are selling these products. And the solution ultimately is a more informed consumer, by which I mean people actually reading the fine print.
For Laura and Matt, the airline refunded the taxes on their canceled trip, but they were out more than $700.
When you come up to that travel insurance box now, what do you do?
Ignore it.
You click no?
Mm-hmm. Yep, no thank you. I'd be out the money anyway.
The Airport Authority's project.
And the report found that often similarly priced travel insurance plans not offered by the airlines or those third-party booking sites provided better coverage. We reached out to Norwegian, the airline that Laura was flying. It tells us the airline believes its cancellation and trip protection policies are clear and were properly followed in this case, but is going to offer a one-time courtesy refund to Laura for the remainder of her airfare. Bianna?
Oh, well, that's good news for Laura. We've been talking about this morning. I'm a bit conflicted about this story, but I mean, I'm not going to defend the insurance companies or airlines this morning, but you know, it is a talker, that's for sure.
That's for sure. Everybody's had this experience.
Yep.
Getting pregnant?
That's a different segment.
No, that's but having a tough travel experience.
Right.
For
Coming
sure.
up in the next hour, John will discuss getting pregnant.
Yes, I'm insuring against that.
Yeah.